Welcome. In this video, let's explore the top 5 front-end technologies that are shaping modern web development. These cutting-edge technologies are essential for creating engaging and interactive user interfaces. Let's get started. First on our list is React. React is a component-based JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Some key features include its component-based architecture, which allows you to break down complex user interfaces into reusable pieces. It uses a virtual document object model, or DOM, which significantly improves performance by minimizing direct manipulations. It also has a rich ecosystem and a large community providing extensive support and resources. React also supports server-side rendering for improved search engine optimization and initial load time. Here's a simple component example using React. Next up is Next.js, a full-stack React framework. Next.js provides features like server-side rendering, which allows the server to render the initial state of the web page, improving performance and search engine optimization. It also supports static site generation, enabling you to generate static HTML files at build time for faster loading. It allows you to create application programming interface, or API routes, making it easier to build full-stack applications with back-end functionality. Lastly, Next.js offers automatic code splitting, which splits your code into smaller chunks that can be loaded on demand, improving your application's performance. Here is an application programming interface, or API route example using Next.js. Our next technology is Vue.js, a progressive JavaScript framework. Vue.js is known for being progressive and approachable, making it easy for developers to learn and integrate into existing projects. It uses a template-based syntax, which allows you to write your user interface using HTML templates. Vue.js uses reactive data binding, ensuring that your user interface stays in sync with your data. Its composition API provides a flexible way to organize and reuse code in your components. Here is a Vue component example. Now let's check out Svelte, a compile-time framework. Unlike other frameworks, Svelte performs optimization at compile time, resulting in highly efficient code. It does not use a virtual document object model, or DOM, which reduces overhead and improves performance. Svelte features built-in state management, making it easier to handle application data. Finally, Svelte produces smaller bundle sizes, which leads to faster load times. Here's an example of a reactive component using Svelte. Our last technology is TypeScript. TypeScript adds static type checking to JavaScript, which helps catch errors during development, improving code reliability. It enhances integrated development environment, or IDE support, by providing features like auto-completion and refactoring tools. TypeScript allows for better code refactoring, making it easier to maintain and update large code bases. It is also a superset of JavaScript, meaning all valid JavaScript code is also valid TypeScript code. Here's an interface and type example using TypeScript. Now let's look at the key benefits of modern front-end technologies. The first one is performance. These technologies offer optimized rendering, faster load times, and efficient bundle sizes, which greatly enhance the user experience. Modern front-end technologies provide better tooling, debugging capabilities, and code maintainability, making the development process more efficient and enjoyable. They feature component reusability and modular architecture, which are essential for building and managing large applications. Last but not least, they feature rich libraries, strong community support, and extensive documentation, making it easier for developers to find solutions and stay updated with the latest trends. Thank you for watching. You are now ready to build amazing user interfaces. Remember to choose the right technology for your project. Start with hands-on practice and tutorials. Join community forums and stay updated and build real projects to solidify your skills. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.